It's just awful. I mean, it's unhygienic, it's disgusting, it's revolting. I hate it.
Pet-friendly cafes, no thanks. The only animals I want to see in a restaurant are on a plate. Sinead, pet-friendly cafes are not for you, I think it's fair to say.
Definitely not. It's not that I don't like animals. It's, of course, guide and assistant dogs absolutely go without saying. But really, where you have somewhere where your basic tenet should be cleanliness.
Food
Pets
hygiene.
have no place. It would be very unusual, Shane, I think, to see cats and dogs roaming around indoors in restaurants in Ireland. But you see it in Spain, you see it in Portugal, you definitely see it in France. They're carting them around in little prams with hats and coats on them. And I just think this anthropomorphizing of animals as kind of babies or substitutes, it's just wrong on every level.
Look, I don't mind dogs in places. I don't think that they're dirty enough. And our immune systems, by the way, are very robust. And I don't think this is an issue at all. But I know lots of people will disagree
I'm
with
Team
me.
Sinead.
I'm Team Doggy. That's what I am.